If your life doesn't feel right anymore, maybe it's not about fixing the surface. Maybe it's about changing the direction. This isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. If last year left you tired, disconnected, or like you were living someone else's life, this is your moment to reset, to restart, to refocus. 2026 isn't about hype, it's about honesty. It starts with a reset, and that begins inside, because you can't build a new life on a cluttered mind. What is mental clutter? It's the noise, the overthinking at 2 a.m., the guilt over what you didn't do, the comparisons, the worries, the endless what-ifs on replay. It drains your focus and your energy. Clearing it isn't about positive thinking, it's about making space. Space to think, space to feel, space to finally hear your own voice again. How? Start with awareness. Just notice. What thoughts keep showing up uninvited? Name them. Then challenge them. Ask, is this thought even true? Is it helping me or hurting me? You don't have to believe everything you think. And deal with the emotional clutter, the feelings you've buried. Feeling is not failing, it's healing. Give yourself permission to feel it so you can release it. Simplify your inputs. Protect your attention like the precious resource it is. Every time you say yes to something meaningless, you're saying no to what could change your life. Once you've cleared space, it's time to restart. And you restart with honest reflection. Look back at last year, not to judge, but to learn. Ask, what did I actually give my time to? What patterns kept repeating? What did I avoid? This isn't about shame, it's about responsibility. When you take responsibility, you take your power back. You stop being a victim of your past and become the architect of your future. Celebrate your quiet wins too. The days you got up anyway, the times you chose peace, they matter. Then decide what to carry forward and what to leave behind. Some things were just lessons, not luggage. Now, with a clearer mind and an honest past, you can refocus. This is about choosing direction over daily confusion. Focus is a daily decision. It means asking every morning, what deserves my attention today? Not what's urgent, what's important. You must detach from the distractions that steal your future, and not just the obvious ones, the quiet thieves, overthinking, people-pleasing, comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Simplify your goals. You're overwhelmed not because your dreams are too big, but because you're chasing too many at once. Pick one or two. A simple goal done beats a dozen perfect plans that never start. And in those uncertain moments, practice emotional control. This isn't about not feeling, it's about not letting feelings drive the car. Pause, breathe, name the emotion. Ask, what can I control right now? Action calms emotion faster than analysis ever will. Rebuild trust in yourself, one small promise kept at a time. Did you say you'd walk for 10 minutes? Do it. That's how you tell your brain, I am someone I can count on. Finally, design your days for growth. Your life is built in the ordinary moments. Protect your mornings. Do the hard thing first. Build in breaks. Your structure is what remains when motivation fades. 2026 comes down to a single choice. Will you choose direction or will you stay in confusion? You don't need all the answers. You just need to start walking. Clarity comes from action, not thought. So reset your mind from the inside out. Restart with ruthless honesty about where you've been and refocus daily on what truly matters. This is your year to lead yourself. No pressure, just purpose. It's time to begin. Your fresh start is not a date on a calendar. It's a decision you make today.